bayan ko. As you can see, they go straight from the place kung saan yung favorite food po nila. So while we are watching, let me tell you also about the reason and the story why we got these long-tailed macaque dito po sa Wildlife Unit Rescue Center. So ito pong mga monkeys namin, they are not related to each other. They came here individually. Some of them are expert, came from illegal wildlife pet trade. Some of them abused by people, and some of them got injured in the wild. Just like isang juvenile mayor namin, saan ba siya? Si Echo, ayun po yata. Ayun, nasa taas po. Yung maglalakad sa bike. Siya po si Echo. So si Echo po, he was brought to us by the Ecology Center of the SPMA. Meron pong string na nag-stuck sa panga, which is, yung string na yan causes his foot really swollen, almost double the size of it. So what our vet did, they pulled the string off. So far, he's doing good and he's doing well. And also I mentioned that some of these monkeys are expected from illegal wildlife pet trade, just like the Mulimboy. Siya po si Mulimboy. So si Mulimboy po, he was kept by a foreigner for 3 years. So yung foreigner po doesn't have any idea how to take care of this kind of monkey. He doesn't know that once this monkey gets big or get mature, they get it more aggressive. So Mulimboy never fight his own once, but it's several times. So he decided to turn him over to us. And also I mentioned that some monkeys are abused by people, just like the monkey right there. Classic unicorn-tailed monkey. Siya po si Robin. So si Robin po, he was also kept by his owner along the way, tied up. So some kids passing by him, sometimes they throw stones at him, and then even one time a drunk man passing by, he punched Robin on his face. So when he got him, he got sick with teeth. Because every time he bites his teeth, he whispers, lagi ko tutulog. So what our vet did, they put their teeth off the teeth.
Ikaw lamang ang buhay ko. Sana hindi pakinggan ko ang puso mo na mayroong sinasabi. Ikaw ang dami kong namahal, lagi kong dinarasal. Sana'y habang buhay tayong magkasama. Ang puso ko'y ibibigay lamang sa'yo. Ito ang aking pangako. Ngayon hanggang magpakailan pa man. wagas at sadyang totoo, nananabik itong aking puso. Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman. Kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lamang ang tunay kong minamahal. At tangi kong hiling ay makapiling ka lagi. Dama ng ganito, pagmamahal na hindi magbabago. At habang buhay na ipaglalaban ko, kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman. Kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lamang ang tunay kong minamahal, ang lagi kong dinarasal. Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman. Kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lamang ang tunay kong minamahal. At tanging kong hiling ay makapiling ka lagi. Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman.
Paano ang puso ko ito ngayon lumisong ka sa buhay?